The Hypothyroidism Revolution is a program designed by Tom Brimeyer that allows you to cure hypothyroidism naturally with dietary changes. The Hypothyroidism Revolution is a step-by-step guide that shows you how to completely eliminate hypothyroidism safely and healthily, focusing primarily on dietary changes. Click the link in the description below this video for details. According to the makers of this program, many other programs are unsuccessful in their efforts because other programs are mostly promoting diets, drugs, and supplements that are not only potential dangers but offer nothing more than a band-aid fix in an attempt to cover up the much bigger and more serious problem. Your diet is the foundation of your health, and no supplement is ever going to offset the damage caused by a thyroid suppressive diet. The program explains that you often eat foods that are advertised as healthy, but they are not. That fact is true for many ingredients, but the company neglects to identify the specific foods that you need to eliminate. There are two options available to participate in the Hypothyroidism Revolution. You can choose to get the information about the program digitally or as a hard copy. The maker of this program is Tom Brimeyer. He is a functional medicine practitioner, health researcher, and author on hypothyroidism, nutrition, and hormones. Brimeyer came across this system for beating hypothyroidism when he was fighting health problems. With work and stress, he developed high cholesterol and blood pressure, which he states leads to hypothyroidism. He focuses primarily on the need to change the way he took care of himself, gaining empathy from consumers who are plagued by the exhaustion and other symptoms of hypothyroidism. Click the link in the description below this video for details.